Yo, how's it going, EDM YouTube? So, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Frisky. I'm an EDM content creator. Go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals, and I love to vlog about them. I was only gonna do 2 days of North Coast Festival here in Chicago, but it turns out last minute plans. I'm doing my 3rd day at Arc Music Festival, so it's technically their 2nd day of the festival, but it'll be my 3rd day. I'm here with some new friends you haven't seen in the first 2 vlogs. If you haven't seen those first 2 vlogs before you get to this video, you should definitely go and check them out. A lot of fun stuff in those 2 vlogs, but I'm excited for you guys to see some of the people that I'm going to be hanging out with today. Completely new crowd, new music, different. I wouldn't say it's like bad or good, it's just different, right? And I'm a huge house head, so get excited for it. No, Dad. No. I hear the music. I hear it. Alright, so we got here. We're in line. Got the.
What is techno? What is techno?
Let's go take a picture.
We're gonna take a picture of techno.
I love your outfit. I'm not content creator, fucking shot. I'm not okay.
Thanks, Kandi. That was delicious. Are you kidding me?
I am not okay.